The metas are on the move. Bravo.
Something's wrong with Barry.
What?
I've never seen these kind of readings from Barry's suit. He's channeling over 2.86 billion joules of energy. That's a combined equivalent of almost 3 lightning bolts.
Cicada's powers allow him to sustain injury, but not that much.
Barry. Barry. He's not gonna stop.
You're never gonna hurt my daughter again.
Dad! No. I'm sorry. I let him get away.
No. You brought me back.
All right, the feds have processed Norvok and the other metas, given them new identities, so everybody's safe.
Satellite hasn't registered any unaccounted for dark matter, so wherever Dwyer is, his dagger's not in use.
After the beating Barry gave him, ain't no way he's using that dagger anytime soon. What? He got what he deserved?
I know, I think we appreciate your groove. Also, I think that Killer Frost and that Flash combination is enough to maybe have Dwyer not want to show his face around here anytime soon.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm good. What matters is that you're okay.
How's it feel to be up and running again?
Super frickin' shui.
Wanna know what's not super freaking shui? Cicada knowing exactly when and where our secret transport was taking place.
Inside job, right? Cicada clearly has a inside man. Only
What kind of cop would help Cicada kill innocent people?
Well, that's gonna have to answer to DA Cecile Horton.
Captain, you wanted to see me?
Come on in.
Officer Jones, this was printed off of your hard drive. Copy the list of metas that Cicada's been pursuing. Funny thing, it is the same list that we know you accessed on your home computer just this week.
Care to tell me why you decided to aid and abet a murderer?
No, that. You don't know what you're talking about.
Really? A woman used metahuman tech to take control of your mind. She made you do things that you were certain you would never do. And that frightened you, didn't it? It frightened you, and it made you angry, and you went ahead and you embraced that anger, and you let it drive your every move. Betrayal, revenge, escape.
Look. The metas in this city have no respect for human life. They don't deserve to breathe our air.
You swore an oath to protect the citizens of this city. Every one of them. Get him out of my sight. You know, your instincts have always been sharp, but knowing he was going to try to escape, I could have sworn you were reading Jonesy's mind.
It's a funny thing. You know, since Jenna was born, I've been a lot more in touch with my feelings.
When Joe gets back, the two of you will be a force to be reckoned with.
Oh, we already are.